What class do you use Google Apps Education in?
I've been using it in my grade 12 data management class
How long have you been using it?
for about maybe 2.5 months.
And what do the students do with it?
The students in my data management class are actually using the spreadsheets, and they're using the word processor and the calendar. They use the spreadsheets to organize their data and display it. They use the word processor to communicate with each other, and they make little helper sheets. And they also use the calendar to check when assignments are due or tests are coming up.
Do the students ever use it at home?
They use it at home all the time. What I've encouraged them to do is create through the word processor a little help menu for their Fathom and their actual spreadsheet on the Google Apps, and they can access that in the middle of the night. The spreadsheet, if they don't have their own software that we carry here in the school, they're able to use the spreadsheet from Google Apps anywhere, whether they have a Mac or whatever they have. They can use it anywhere. They can use it in our library, in my classroom, or at home.
Did you find it cuts down on printing costs?
Yes, it does cut down on printing costs. What they've been doing is sharing it with me, and then I mark it right there online and send it back.
Students find it difficult to learn?
No, they actually were probably 2 steps ahead of me because I'm using it myself as part of my annual learning plan to incorporate it into as many classes as possible, and they're usually a step ahead of me.
Do you want to use it in other classes?
Yes, I do. I've already had my grade 11 university students in mathematics using it. We've been doing some not PowerPoint, but a presentation format similar to PowerPoint to research and display their financial math ISU.
Have you ever used the presentation software with the students?
That's where we used it. They had to do research for financial math and pretend they were renting or buying or doing some kind of loan scenario, and then they presented it to the class using the presentation. They could work on it at home, they could work in it as a group, and they didn't have to be in the same room to do it.
So with most students not having PowerPoint at home, this solves that problem.
It does. It does solve that problem. And the group work. I mean, anything that's group work, they don't have to physically be in the same room. They can both be on computers in totally different places and be almost instantaneously sharing what they're doing.
Do you recommend other teachers start using it?
I think every teacher could probably benefit somehow with it.